Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you know that speaking English is very important. Many people around the world they want to speak English, but they don't know how to do. So don't worry, here I will share something that will surely help you to improve your English. If you really want to improve your English, so please stay with me and watch this video till the end. Today I will make it clear that what should you do for learn this language. Believe me, you don't have to think too much about this language, but you have to do something which I am going to share in this video. So first of all, I would like to say that tell me on comment that do you know basic English? If you don't know, so you should know about that. Like you should know something like let me say here I want to share that you should know that where you should use can, could, does, do, did, use, must, should. No, you should know about it. So I am going to share very easy technique to improve your fluency. If you are beginner, so you have to speak every day like this as I am going to tell you. So listen the things carefully. Please don't skip this video. If you skip this video, I will unable to explain. Because I'm not saying that I know everything because I am also learn beginner and I always try to improve myself because English is a such language. None of us is perfect. Everybody have some kind of problem, but don't worry, we will work for that instead of thinking about that things. Because that person, the one who work on their problem, they can get everything. But that person, the one who they don't work on their problem and they always think about that how I will do. So believe me, if you thinking like this, you will always think. So instead of thinking about your problem, you have to work for that. That how I can remove this problem. Believe me, you are stronger than your problem. You are stronger than your fear. You are stronger than your uh, negative thought. But the problem is here that you always think, but you never ever want to work for that. So I want you to start from today these three things which I am going to share in this video. So first things you have to do that things is practice because there are so many students have this kind of problem that they know English in here. They have lot of things about this language inside their mind, but they don't know how to speak. When they see that someone is speaking English and they know they are getting that what that person is saying, but they don't know how to speak. They are unable to reply that what he is speaking. This is a very common problem most of the students have. So here I will tell you that if you have also some kind of problem like this, please you don't have to worry about that, because we think that he know better than me, but he think that I know better than them. So here I want to share something past incident which I had happened. So 10 days ago I went to at customer end. because as you know that I am an network engineer. So I went to customer and what customer was, that was a very what you call, let me say, uh, he had a lot of what you call attitude. Yeah, yeah, he was graduated, but they look like ungraduated. So I asked to them that, sir, I am talking from Airtel. Have you done complaint? He was saying that yes, I did. So I said to them that, so sir, please tell me, may I come right now? Because I want to check that what problem you have, because of that you are a problem. I want to fix your problem. He was saying that, see, I don't want your connection. You come and please take it and go from here. Because I am too fed up because of your internet. I said to them that, sir, that is okay. I'm not saying that it is never uh, get down. Sometimes it will down. That doesn't mean you will talking like this. He was saying that you please don't make me anger. If you do it, I will speak something wrong. I said, it is okay. You can speak. I'm ready to listen. Please recite me. What you want to recite? Will you abuse me? He talked to me a lot of useless things, but I did not reply, and I said that that is okay. Whether you have a money, whether you are graduated, but you don't look like anything like this. You are talking like a useless person. I said to them, and I call disconnected. So see, you can speak like me. Whether you make mistake, you don't have to think like this. You have to just try to speak. Because until you speak, until you open your mouth, you will unable to speak. So I want to stop this video. I will meet in next vlog.